So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new or if you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, as majority of my viewers are not a subscriber. I'm sure you found this video through the search, so I want you to subscribe to get an update from me. Now let's see what this now Tesla would be going, our Tesla stock will make for the seventh. Now actually I did analysis right for the weekly time frame. I told you guys that we will be expecting a drop on Tesla. Now we've actually gotten a drop. So is this drop over? Definitely not. We will still expect a further drop. Now, before I'll tell you why what will be moving for the next day, let's quickly do a quick recap on what this movement says on the weekly time frame. So we will take a look at our Tesla. We want to see what this weekly time frame says. So on this Tesla, the weekly time frame, you will first of all, before you place trade, you will first of all ask yourself one thing: what is the trend of this movement you want to trade, right? You want to know the trend for this movement. So on this Tesla, we can see that the trend is a bearish move. So we would want to look for a way to actually sell, because this price is actually bearish, right? We are shorting, so we would want to look for a way to sell. So let's start this recent movement that was made right after this pullback was made. Then we see this drop. So we take a look at this as a lower lows. Here comes a lower highs or a correction. A new lower lows has been made. After the new lower lows has been made, guess what we've got in here? A correction. After the correction, we need a new lower lows that will actually break this new low. So this will be expecting a low. So we are currently trading at 179, right? We still want to see this Tesla drop further down to break this our new lower highs. You see recent lower highs that go to level of 166, 166, right? So currently we've gotten a pullback. Now we want to have a new lows that will break this previous lows. That is it. That is to tell you that Tesla itself, we should look for a way to go bearish. We have to look for a way to short or sell. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. So what does this daily time frame say? So you can see that I highlighted this level here. Actually, we did analysis now last week on Tesla. I told you guys that a rejection will happen here, which it actually did. So we saw the reason why I highlighted it is that I do see it. If you follow this channel consistently, I do tell you that if price has reacted to a level previously multiple times and price gets to that same level, then definitely price will react to that same level again. So we saw price once came to this same level and it went up, it's dropped to this level and it's bounced up, came again, tap this level, double tap this level, and it went up. Now, once price broke this level again and gave us a pullback, of course, we need price to actually react and drop, right? Which price actually did, thereby breaking this previous lows. Then price eventually decided to correct and go up again. So I told you guys that watch out for a sell around this level here, which we are now having. So yesterday we actually opened and closed bearish, right? On this 6th 5th, we actually opened and closed bearish. On the 5th of December, we opened and closed bearish. On the 6th, we actually opened and closed bearish. For today, which is 7th, we would want to know where this price will be moving. So I can tell you that Tesla also, we will open and close bearish. So we are at a level of 179. So let's take a sell straight down to a level of 173. So we would want to go about 2% bearish, right? We want to see a drop of about at least 3%, right? We want to have a drop of 3% on our Tesla, right? So this Tesla for the 7th would be predicting a bearish move, would want to go bearish, and even possibly on the 8th we're very much likely to go bearish. So Tesla still bearish, and coupled with the fact that this moving average you are seeing here is 10 period moving average. We all know that once this price is above our moving average, then there's only one movement you all should consider, which is a long movement. You have to look for a way to buy. So that is it if it is above the moving average. But if it is below it, then it is a sell. So clearly we can see that this price have been below our 10 period moving average. Even as at now, it is still below 10 period moving average. What does it say? It says we have to sell. So now take a look at it. A correction was made which actually broke this moving average. And I told you guys that price will react by dropping. Price has now given us that reaction. It has dropped. Guess what it has now given us again? It has now broken below our 10 period moving average. So this is kind of like a sell setup to actually go ahead to short, and we would want to take out this lows. By the time this week end, I believe we'll be able to take out this level, a low of 167. Currently, we're trading at 179. So I mean, by the time this week end, I believe we would hit a level of 167. But for 7th of December, where we would want this price to drop to, we want to see drop to a level of 173. I said it before. Currently, we are trading at 177, 179. We want to see this price drop to a level of 173 and possibly 174. So watch out for a level of 173 and 174. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So we would want to sell, right? So I'm looking for a sell opportunity. Now we would want to know what this 4 hour time frame trend says. So what does it say? It also says we are bearish. Assuming it is giving us a bullish move like this, assuming the 4 hour time frame is giving us an uptrend move, right? Like this, I would have advised you to actually stay out of this trade, fold your arms, do not do anything yet. But because we are on a sell, we are looking for a sell setup and we would want to sell, so we will go to the 4 hour time frame. And since the 4 hour time frame is also giving us a sell movement, then it is a good opportunity to go ahead to sell. So we would consider this as a drop, and here would be a correction. Guess what we've got in here? A new lows, and here comes the correction. Guess what again? A new low. So possibly if you guys wait for this correction to be over or a pullback to be over, then you can go ahead to sell on this Tesla for the day. So Tesla, we are still going bearish though. We are still on a bearish move, coupled with the fact that this price is still below our 10 period moving average. So Tesla, we are still bearish for the day.